formation, take it all the way out to the south, bring it straight at the crowd. They're going to get into another formation. It's a special one. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I want you to notice when they come over what these Mustangs are telling you. But I think right now we're going to give you some information on what it takes to build or restore a P-51. Rob, have you got that going?
All right, we're just about ready for it. They're hunting it up in the tape room back there, and what we're going to try to take a look at is a video on
Ohio,
how a Mustang gets
Columbus,
built.
Ohio.
No, excuse me.
Gathering of the Legends.
Oh, I'm sorry. What it's like to take a ride in a Mustang. So let's watch the screen.